Alright, so to finish up here, we got the AMD socket AM4 with the A320, and it's going to have the NVMe PCIe 22110M.2 technology, which in my opinion, so here we go. This is the unboxing video. Once again, nice packaging. I really like this extra touch included here. Nice static wrap bag. Note to your wrist strap, guys. Safety first. Don't want to damage your electronics. So this is the first look of the board. So you got your CPU, you got your 4 DIMM slots. Okay. You got your power, your VRMs. It's going to be your slot for your video cards, PCIe slots. Let's see here, and most importantly, your M.2, baby, right here, right there. And then here we go as far as the ports, input outputs. You got your keyboard standard, which I really like this touch, just in case you want to, keep the costs minimal. You got your VGA, you got your